At Crowthorne Group, we pride ourselves in being the largest independent supplier of clean air and containment services in the UK and Ireland. We provide validation, maintenance and spare parts to the whole of the UK and Europe, as well as supporting customers in Asia and the Middle East. Whilst Crowthorne Group remains fully independent, we hold long-standing relationships in the clean air industry and act as the trusted service partner of many manufacturers. Our team are specialists in clean rooms, containment laboratories, clean air equipment and fumigation services, as well as providing impartial testing and certification. Our regionally based, professionally qualified service engineers ensure all equipment are compliant with industry standards and regulations. We have service engineers present across the UK, making an always available, efficient and reliable service that includes emergency call-outs. We are proud of the services we offer our customers from a variety of sectors. To find out if we can help, visit our website crowthornhightech.co.uk.